Hi guys, welcome to today's video. As you can see, I'm kind of not in my usual spot, and hey, I got jammies on, just woke up from a nap. You can see my beautiful daughter here has some amazingly long hair. In this video, we are going to show you how she went from this
to this.
So if you guys want to see how to apply tape-in hair extensions, keep on watching. I'm going to start by sectioning the hair. We want the first section to be fairly close to the bottom, not all the way. You do want to be able to lift your hair up in case you want to put it in a ponytail. So you want enough that's going to cover your first weft. So we're going to put our first about there. That gives about an inch from the bottom. And again, a huge thank you to Goo Goo Hair for sending us over their beautiful hair once again. This time, my daughter gets it.
Thank you.
We do have two different colors. We have this blonde, and then we have a dark brown. As you can see, her hair is split colored. I will leave the links to this hair and the colors, everything you need to know, down in the description box below. We have our first section. We lift it, place it, and drop the hair back over. And then we take our second weft and sandwich it in there. You just want really thin sections of hair. You don't want to sandwich too much hair in between the tapes. Otherwise, they will not stick and you'll have tapes just sliding out. And of course, no one wants that when they get fresh hair extensions put in. So because she has such a small narrow neck, we can only fit two in here. You don't want to put the tapes right close to the edge. So how we're going to counteract this is on the next layer, we're going to start on this side and place it there. So you take down your second section, again keeping it at about an inch. And then because we had the gap on this side, we're going to start on this side. Again, lift, place, and then drop the hair over it. Now that we have a couple rows in, I am going to hit these tapes with the flat iron. This is something I didn't do when you guys saw me do this on myself, just because it's really hard to see the back of your head when you're doing it yourself. But because I really want these to be on, I'm just going to very quickly and very lightly hit that tape and run the straightener down. It's just going to help heat up this glue so it sticks a little more securely. Now that we're done that row, again, just taking the same 1-inch sections all the way up. I do want to mention that Last night, while we got ready to prep her hair for today, we did go through and actually tone her blonde. It had been a while, the old toner was out, it was looking kind of orange, so we did tone it and we gave it a trim, added a long layer, and straightened it so it was all just ready to go for today.
Yeah, Goo Goo Hair, if you're watching this, I found your TikTok. I was watching tape and extensions, and then I found your TikTok.
She found your TikTok. So Goo Goo Hair, I'm sure if you look at her TikTok after this, you will see lots of your hair.
I'll follow it.
She will follow you. This process is so much quicker when you are not doing it on yourself. I gotta say. The process is the same step by step that I showed you guys doing it on myself. Nothing that I'm doing is changing besides hitting the tapes with the flat iron. But I kind of did that when I straightened my hair. Always remember to really press, grab each end of your sandwiched up tape weft and squish them both together. You can see I'm just using the end of a pintail comb just to stick the hair down and smooth it before placing the second weft on top. Trying to make sure I'm not in your guys' way all the way here. Let's move that here for this section. Okay, now that I have that weft in, we're going to do the same thing with the flat iron and hit these bad boys with some heat. This, by the way, is my brand new Croc Masters infrared flat iron. I've only used it twice. Both times have been on this kit here. Very excited to have it.
I'm special, I guess. I was the first person and the second time to use it.
Yeah. Look at the blend is seamless.
You can't see it?
The color match, we did a good job on. And you really want these lines to be as straight as possible. That's why each section you really see me go through with my pintail comb and get that as nice as a line as I can. So I've been starting on the other side. This time I'm going to start on this side. If you take good care of your extensions, also for you people at home listening, if you take good care of your extensions and when it comes time you remove them, I usually use coconut oil. It works amazing to slip those tapes out. And then you can remove the tapes, wash them, dry them up, and you can put new tapes on them and keep using them. For the average person, you could probably get 6 months use out of it. I have been known to push a year, even 2 years out of my tape-in hair extensions if you take care of them. That means putting your hair in a braid or a bun when you sleep so they don't get all matted up. That means using still heat protectors and products in your hair. You have to look at it. This is still real human hair. So by styling it, curling it, straightening it, you're still damaging the hair like you would yours. So I still recommend going in with your thermal protectors, everything like that. You do spot. I'm not sure where my camera stopped filming at, but I just re-hit this layer with the flat iron. And now we're going to start pulling down this dark.
Well, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Don't forget.
Yeah, we're not going to use as many dark. You have a lot more blonde in your hair than you do dark. Again, we're still doing the same 1-inch sections that we've been doing all the way up. Alright guys, again, we're going to hit it with the trusty flat iron. Okay, now we're done with that layer. We're getting down. I think we've got one more layer to do. And then it'll be too close to the top. You don't want to put extensions right at the top because, well, you want them to not be seen.
You want it to look like your real hair.
Yes. And because she always parts her hair in the middle, I can go up fairly high in both sides because she never does a side part. Whereas I do side parts, pretty deep side parts, so mine I have to place lower.
I look dumb with the side parts. I had it before and no, just no.
Trying to make it so you guys can see every step of the way, but without having a cameraman moving around for me makes it a little bit more difficult.
Darren too, with the camera.
And you guys guessed it, we are just doing the heat round again.
What if they didn't guess?
If they didn't guess, well, then you haven't been watching the video. Alright guys, now we're going to take the top down, straighten everything all together.
Oh yeah, that looks good. I'm excited to see what it looks like.
You have knots in your hair.
Probably. Guys, make sure to watch the hair blending cutting video. If that makes sense. That will be, I think, next video.
Yes. Video after this one, I will show you how we cut and blend in the hair extensions.
Hair. I really like the box it comes in. Like when you open the box, there's the hair, and then I think there's a card and there's lashes.
And a clip.
Yeah, and a clip.
A hair clip.
Those are the lashes. They're really pretty. They're like, you open it from like sliding it like this. They're really pretty.
Alright guys, this, I'm going to have to take the camera off of my stand and show you guys because you can't really see. This is the point that we are at so far. As you can see, our next video will be the cut that it needs. A little bit of layering in through here and just clean up these ends because they are not all the same length. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more hair content on my channel, then don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you want me to try that has to do with hair. And yeah, if you're not already a part of the Bins Beauty family, what are you waiting for?
Subscribe already!
Head down there and subscribe like my crazy daughter just screamed at you. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.
Bye!